This is Filament Bros, and today we'll be showing you how to download and install our own personal 3D printing presets. Our first step will be to go over to filamentbros.com. This will take you to our home page where we can navigate to the Resources tab. From here, click on Check Them Out. And here you are met with our printer presets. Currently we have 0.4mm and 0.6mm nozzle presets. I will be downloading the Bambu A1 presets today. However, we also have some for the P1. Go here and click on Download. It will navigate up to this top over here, and it shows that we've downloaded that preset. So now, if we go into our Bambu Studio, we can hit File, Import, Import Config, and then double click on the preset. Click Yes to all. Okay. And then if we go into our Prepare tab, we can now see that we have the Filament Bros 0.4mm A1 preset. You can go ahead and use this on any of your prints. It works particularly well for larger models. Just anything that you'd typically be doing for like an architecture studio is mainly what this is used for. Feel free to change whatever you like about it. This is just our baseline for our presets. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments below. If you'd like to print anything with us, go over to filamentbros.com. We're happy to help you out there. If you live in the College Station area, also go to filamentbros.com and we have filament sales for you. We currently are on sale right now and that will be ending soon. So go check it out. And thank you so much for watching.